All right. Remember, we have the pages 58 and 59. So we're gonna do it like this. Here we have a crossword puzzle, and you have to complete it with the names of the pictures that we have on your left and below. So we're going to start with down. Okay, so what you're going to do, you're going to type your answers, okay? So let's start with down. Number 1, Omar, what do you have? Number 1, Omar. Number 1 down, correct. Number 3, Damaris. Okay, number 5, Mauricio. Yes. Number 5, we are with down. Excellent. Number 7, Omar. No problem, Mauricio. Correct. 8, Damaris. Damaris, number 8. You don't know the spelling. Number 8. Dun, dun, dun. It's a top. Top. Okay. Top. Okay. Number 10, Mauricio. You're welcome. And number 11, Omar. Correct. Now let's continue with across. Number 2, Damaris. Yes, excellent. Number 4, Mauricio. Correct. 6, Omar. Number 9, Damaris. 11, Mauricio. And number 12, Omar. Correct. Excellent. Now let's continue with letter B. Says, now find the 5 highlighted letters in the puzzle. What do they spell? What is the word that is here? Yes. Correct. Okay, now let's continue with the second page. Let me see, there is a problem. Okay. Okay, exercise 2, as you can see, we have a conversation. It says, I want to spend some money. Here what you have to do is complete conversations 1 and 2 using the verbs that you have in parentheses, okay? We're going to do this, okay, to make it fast. What you're gonna do, okay, for example, conversation 1, Omar, you're going to be Rick, and Damaris, you're going to be Mia. I only want you to type the correct words. For example, in number 1, it's need to buy. For example, Omar, number 2 with Rick. What is the answer? Okay, correct. And continue, Damaris. You only need to type the answer. It's not necessary to type the complete sentence, only the answer. Correct. And then, and I, you have another line, Damaris. And I, correct, have to get. Continue, Omar, Rick. Have to get, okay, that is Damaris part. You are Rick. It says, listen, you go, I think you are here, Omar. It says, want, stay. Correct. And then you have not need and buy. Excellent, Omar. And the last one, it says want and check. Okay, excellent. Conversation 2, we have Will and Anna. This time, Mauricio, you're going to be Will, and Damaris, you're going to be Anna. Remember, only type the answer, please. So, Mauricio, the first part, it says Will. Okay, it says she, and then you have want and go. Excellent, Mauricio. Continue, Damaris, with Anna. You have like where. Excellent, Damaris. Okay, continue, Mauricio, with will. Like where. Excellent. Continue. It says not one, go. Correct. And the last part. Want and go again. Correct. Well, and the last part, Mauricio, will, it says not have and change. Excellent, guys. Okay, now we're gonna continue with exercise 3, is the last part. It says about you, unscramble the questions, then write true answers. Well, number 1, the question is, what do you like to wear to the movies? And number 2, Omar. When do you have to wear nice clothes? Excellent, Omar. Number 3, Damaris. Correct. I can see that Jesus is here. Jesus, number 4. Are you here, Jesus? Okay, well, let's see. Mauricio, can you do number 4, please? Jesus is typing. Wait. Okay, Jesus, number 4. Do you have to wear a uniform? Number 4. Remember, we are with number 4. That's the number 3, Jesus. No problem, Jesus. Excellent. Now, Mauricio, number 5. Mauricio. What do you... And no, is not correct. Okay, let's see. Jesus is typing. Excellent, Jesus. And number 6, Damaris. Where do you like to go shopping? Correct. Do you have questions, guys? No? Okay. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. Excellent. Okay. So let's move on. Mm, okay. Here I have some questions. Okay. Let's pay attention. Here we have some questions. From question 2 to question 13. Okay. Question 10 is, what do you like to wear at home? 11, do you have to wear a uniform for work or maybe school if you don't work? 12, what clothes do you need to buy? And 13, do you have to buy some new clothes? So you have the 4 questions there. So right now you are going to type your answers, please. 10, 11, 12, and 13. I like to wear shorts and blouse. Yes, I do. Okay, Damaris, only remember short is not singular, it's plural, shorts. Okay? Shorts and a shirt. Okay, Mauricio. I like to wear shorts and t-shirt. Yes, I do something. Okay, excellent, Jesus. Pajamas. Really, Mauricio? You like to wear pajamas? Correct, Mauricio. You have to wear a uniform. I do wear shorts and blouses, but prefer pajamas. Okay, it's Your answer is correct. I don't. Pay attention to your punctuation, your spelling, Mauricio. You say no, I don't. You have a comma. I need to buy some new clothes. You are saying no and yes at the same time. So, Mauricio, your answer would be like this. No, I don't need to buy a new clothes. Like this, Mauricio. Jeans. Okay, you're welcome. For new shoes and a suit, I have sneakers and jeans. Okay, Omar, only number 13 is yes, I do. I have to buy some sneakers and some jeans. Remember, sneakers, it's plural, so we cannot use a. So 13 for you, Omar, is like this. I have to buy. Remember the verb, I have to buy some sneakers. Okay, excellent, guys. Well, let's continue. Yesterday we were on page, let me see. Okay, we were here. Page 77 in our student book. Yes. Okay, you're welcome. Okay, so let's move to page 77. Okay, are you ready? Okay, excellent. Well, yesterday we stopped here in exercise 3 is the speaking naturally. It says want to and have to. As you can see here in the box, we have some sentences and we have some questions. And above the sentences, we have some words here. I'm gonna underline the words, these ones and this one. Okay, can you see it? Okay, so this is the pronunciation. Okay, for example, instead of saying I want to buy some new clothes, we're going to say I wanna. Okay, that is the pronunciation, wanna. So one more time, instead of want to, we're going to say wanna. And here, instead of have to, we're going to say have to. Okay, so try to repeat at home, please. Wanna and have to. Okay, so one more time. Wanna and have to. So I'm gonna play the audio. If you have your earphones, okay, put them on. And we're gonna listen to this part. So pay attention to the pronunciation, please.
Page 77. 3. Speaking naturally. Wanna and have to. A. Listen and repeat the sentences above. Notice the reduction of wanna and have to.
I want to buy some new clothes.
What do you want to buy?
I have to buy some new clothes.
What do you have to buy?
Okay, did you listen? Yeah, I know. Let me try again.
Page 77. 3. Speaking naturally. Wanna and have to. A. Listen and repeat the sentences above. Notice the reduction of wanna and have to.
I want to buy some new clothes.
What do you want to buy?
I have to buy some new clothes.
What do you have to
No,
buy?
this is not working.
What do you have to buy?
No. I think there is a. I think it's the
Page 77.
track.
3.
So one more
Speaking
time.
naturally. Wanna and have to. A. Listen and repeat the sentences above. Notice the reduction of wanna and have to.
Oh, Maurice, I'm sorry. Don't worry.
Clothes.
What do you want to buy?
I have to buy some new clothes.
What do you have to buy?
Okay. Okay, so you don't have headphones, Mauricio. Okay, no problem. Well, let's do this. I'm going to repeat the sentences and the questions and try to do the same at home. Okay, so we're going to start here. I want to buy some new clothes. What do you want to buy? So remember, we're going to use the pronunciation that we have here. Now let's do it with this one, wanna. Okay, so one more time. I'm gonna say the words and you're going to repeat them at home. So let's start. I wanna buy some new clothes. What do you wanna buy? Now let's move to the second part. Remember, the pronunciation is have to, okay? I have to buy some new clothes. What do you have to buy? Yes, did you listen? Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. Okay, well now we're gonna try it with letter B. So one more time, put your earphones on, okay? I'm gonna play the audio again. This is exercise B. We have 4 pairs of questions. And for Mauricio, I'm going to repeat them, okay, at the end. So no problem. So let's do letter B.
Page 77. 3. Speaking naturally. Wanna and have to. B. Listen and repeat these questions.
Do you have to go shopping this week? Where do you have to go?
Do you have to buy any new clothes? What do you have to get?
Do you want to spend a lot of money? How much do you want to spend?
Do you want to go to a designer store? Which stores do you want to go to?
Okay, so let's do it one more time.
Page 77. 3. Speaking naturally. Wanna and have to. B. Listen and repeat
Yeah, I
these
know.
questions.
Do you have to go shopping this week? Where do you have to go?
Do you have to buy any new clothes? What do you have to get?
Do you want to spend a lot of money? How much do you want to spend?
Do you want to go to a designer store? Which stores do you want to go to?
Did you listen to the audio? Okay, Tamari says yes. Okay, excellent. That's good. Okay, well, now let's go back again here. Okay, so we're here one more time. Okay, well, and here it says we have 4 pairs of questions. Let's do something. You are 4 right now. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Damaris, Jesus, Mauricio, Omar. Damaris, Jesus, Mauricio, Omar. So what is Itzel? Itzel was here. So she left. Yeah, I know. Mm, yes, that's terrible. Okay, well, I'm gonna text her. Now what? Well, let's do this. Pay attention. We have 4 pairs of questions. So you're going to answer one question, each of you. Pay attention. Mauricio, you're going to answer number 1. Damaris, number 2. Jesus, number 3. And Omar, number 4. Okay, so go ahead, please. Type your answers. Again, remember Mauricio, number 1, Damaris, number 2, Jesus, number 3, and Omar, number 4. Yes, Mauricio, number 1. Okay, thank you. Okay, type your answers. Damaris. Excellent, Damaris, you're correct. Thank you. A uniform night. Sports stores. Correct. Yes, I do. Okay. So we have Damaris, Mauricio, Omar, Jesus. We only need Mauricio. Yes, I do. Okay, Mauricio. Uh, it's almost correct. It's like this. Yes, I do. We need a period. Okay, pay attention to your punctuation. I have to go shopping this week. Okay. Yes, I do. I have to go shopping. I'm sorry. Have to go shopping this week. It's like that. I have to go shopping this week. I'm going to buy. I'm going to La Gran Plaza. Honey. I'm going to La Gran Plaza. Just like that. Okay, you're welcome. Well, with this exercise, we are finishing with the lesson A. So remember yesterday we started with lesson A. Lesson A, we started using vocabulary related to clothes. And as you can see, we review again simple present. One more time. Okay, so we have simple present. Simple present information questions and simple present yes no questions. So before we go to the lesson B, I want you to tell me what did you learn in lesson A? What is something new that you learned in lesson A? Eyes are closed. Okay, correct. You have to use Russian. Yes, and it's useful. I mean, it's very common. Okay, that's it. What is reduction one have to learn the names of clothes? Yes, correct. Yes, yes. Try to remember that with these verbs, like to, want to, need to, have to. Well, I mean, with this verb, we need to use always the preposition to. Okay, like to, want to, need to, have to. Okay, they are always together. Okay, guys. Well, thank you so much. Now we're going to continue with the lesson B. Okay, now let's turn the page. So here we have the lesson B. Okay, lesson B is called Things to Buy. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna play the audio one more time, and you're going to listen to the pronunciation of these words. So listen to it, and as you listen at home, try to repeat the pronunciation. Okay, just give me a second.
Page 78. Lesson B. Things to buy. 1. Building vocabulary. A. Listen and say the words. Which of these items do you have? Which do you need to buy?
A baseball cap. A belt. A backpack. A briefcase. A purse. Shoes and socks. A bracelet and a ring. A necklace and earrings. A coat and boots. A hat, a scarf, and gloves.
Okay, let's do it one more time, please.
Page 78. Lesson B. Things to buy. 1. Building vocabulary. A. Listen and say the words. Which of these items do you have? Which do you need to buy?
A baseball cap. A belt. A backpack. A briefcase. A purse. Shoes and socks. A bracelet and a ring. A necklace and earrings. A coat and boots. A hat, a scarf, and gloves.
Okay, correct. Okay, so did you listen to the audio? Yes. Okay, excellent. Okay, well, so here we have new vocabulary about clothes and accessories, as you can see. So as you can see here, we have two questions at the beginning of the exercise. Question number one is, which of these items do you have? And number two, which do you need to buy? So one more time, what you're going to do, I want you to type your answers, please. Remember, two questions. Which of these items do you have and which do you need to buy? I'm going to type my example. Okay. I have some backpacks. Okay. I have some backpacks. And for number two, I need to buy some, let's see, some shoes. Okay, so these are my examples. I have some backpacks and I need to buy some shoes. So how about you? I have some pajamas. Uh-huh. And what do you need to buy, Mauricio? Excellent, Mauricio. You are correct. I have some shoes. I need to buy a bracelet. Excellent, Damaris. I have a bit of a backpack. Correct, Jesus. Let's wait for Omar. Some belts. I need to buy some. Excellent. Yes, you're correct. All of you. Excellent. Thank you. Well, now let's move here. Okay. As you can see in exercise B, we have a chart. Okay. And we have some colors. I think that you know the colors. Okay. So we have some questions again. What clothes and accessories do you have in these colors? Write them in the chart. And what colors do you like to wear? Discuss with a partner. So first of all, here we have the colors. I'm going to say the names of the colors and you're going to repeat after me at home, of course. Okay, so let's start. White, black, red, blue, brown, green, yellow, gray, pink, orange. Okay. So before we do it, before doing the activity, tell me what's your favorite color? What's your favorite color? Blue. Okay. Okay, pay attention, Damaris. You're mentioning 1, 2, 3 colors, yes? So my favorite colors are black, blue, and pink. Yes, the same with you, Mauricio. My favorite colors are red, blue, and white. Green is my favorite color. No problem, you're learning. Don't worry. No problem. Remember that you are learning, okay? So don't be afraid to make mistakes. Excellent. Well, in my case, my favorite colors are blue, red, and pink. Now, listen. In your books, what you are going to do, you are going to complete the chart. You are going to write names of clothes or accessories that you have in these colors. For example, here it says black, and below we have the word jeans. Try to think of the clothes and accessories that we have in these colors. For example, in my case, well, I have black jeans, I have black shoes. So that's what you're going to do. Write down names of accessories or clothes that you have in these colors. What do you have in white, red, blue, brown, etc.? Okay. So let's complete the chart, and when you finish, let me know, please. Okay, so go ahead. Are you ready? Okay, now let's pay attention. Okay, let's look at my example. Okay, it's here. I have two examples here. Number one says, I have some black shoes. Number two, I have an orange watch? Well, as you can see, first of all, we're going to mention first the color. On second place, the noun. In this case, the item, okay? So we have the color and then the item. Black shoes, orange watch, okay? As you can see in number 1, I have some black shoes. The noun shoes is plural, shoes. That's why we're using some, okay? Example number 2, pay attention to my noun, watch, okay? This is singular. Remember, with singular nouns, we're going to use a or an. In this case, we're using an because we have orange. The first letter is a vowel. Remember, with vowels, I mean, when we have a word that begins with a vowel, singular, we're going to use an. So I have, one more time, I have some black shoes, or I have an orange watch. Okay? Do you understand this part? So here we go again. I have a blue watch. So one more time. I have the color on first place and the item on second place. One more time, this is singular, but what is the difference here? My word begins with a consonant, B, blue. That's why I'm using a blue watch. Here I have a vowel, O. I have to use an. So again, I have some black shoes. I have an orange watch. I have a blue watch. Okay? Questions about this part? Correct. Well, here I have 3 examples, okay? So let's start with you. Damaris, can you type to I have a great backpack. I have some t-shirts. Okay, Jesus. Number 1 is correct. I have a great backpack. In the second sentence, we don't have the color. I have some blue, orange, red. No problem, Jesus. I have some white t-shirts. Okay, excellent. Thank you. Okay, well, that's it. So let's go back again. Okay, to the unit. Okay, well, let's continue here. Well, in exercise 2, as you can see, we have a conversation. We have a short conversation. But let's do this, okay? At home, I need you to close your books, please. Okay. Are your books closed? Close your books, please. Okay, ready? Okay, so pay attention. We want to listen to Samantha, okay? Well, as you can see, Samantha is in a store. Okay, Samantha is in a store and she wants to buy something, okay? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna listen carefully to the audio and we're going to answer the question. Yes, we have a question here. It says, how much are the gloves and the scarf? Okay, so listen carefully to the audio and at the end, you're gonna tell me the responses. One more time, how much are the gloves and the scarf? Okay, so listen, please.
Page 78. 2. Building language. A. Listen. How much are the gloves and the scarf?
Hello. Can I help you? Hi. How much are those gloves? These? They're really popular. They're $80. And what about that blue scarf? How much is that? This scarf is on sale. It's only $149. $149? Okay. I have to think about it. Thanks anyway.
Okay, so do you have the answers? Remember, don't open your books. Keep your books closed. So once again, how much are the gloves and the scarf? $13. Gloves, $80. Let's see the gloves, $9. Okay, you said 9, 13. Okay, we're going to check. Okay, we have the gloves. They are $80. Okay. And the scarf is $149. Ay, so you didn't guess. Yeah, I know. Okay, guys. Well, let's see. Let's do something. Here we have the conversation. But I think that you don't have microphones. Right? Excellent, Omar. Omar, but because you are reading. Yes, I know. He's looking at the book and I have the page on the screen. Yes. Hi, Omar. Okay, guys. Well, now open your books, or maybe your books are open now. Okay, so pay attention here in the conversation. Okay, we have these questions. How much are those? How much is that? Okay, we have two questions here. We're going to use this question when we want to ask for the price of something. Okay, I think I have some images here. Give me a second. Mm, yes, it's here. Well, okay, so pay attention here. Here I have 4 questions. Remember, we're asking for prices. The first 2 questions, they said, how much is this? How much is that? Okay. So question 1 is, how much is this hat? We have that it's 150. Number 2, how much is that dress? Okay, so we have it's $399.50. Pay attention to the words that I have here in pink. I have this and that, okay? As you can see, we have only one item, one here and one here, okay? This is only one, and this is only one, okay? The dress. We have this and that. So what is the difference? Okay, first of all, both are singular. The difference is that we're going to use this when you can touch the object, okay? For example, I don't know if you can see, I have a pen, okay? So I can say this is a pen because I am touching my pen, yes? And we're going to use that when you see the object, but you cannot touch the object, okay? So there is a distance between you and the object. Is like here. Maybe you are here. Well, I'm not good at drawing here, okay? Okay, so maybe this is you and the object is far away from you, okay? So this is you, and here you have the object. So there is a distance, okay? We have a distance between you and the object. That's why we're using that. And here, with this, it means that you can touch, okay? You can touch the object. So that is a difference. Okay, so do you understand this part? Yes, correct, Jesus. Remember, one more time, remember, this and that is for singular objects, okay? This, when you can, one more time, you can touch the object. For example, right now, I'm touching my pen. So I can say this is my pen because I'm touching my pen, okay? So in example number 2, we're saying that dress because you are here, okay, this is the person, and the object is far away. So there is a distance between you and the object. Yes? Do you understand, Omar, Damaris, Mauricio? Okay, thank you, Damaris. Yes, Omar. Okay. Okay, so this is for singular items. Now for plural items, we have this one. Okay. Okay, for plurals, we have this and those. Okay. We're going to use this. Okay. One more time. When you can touch the items. But I don't have, let me see. Well, I have some brushes here. Okay. Can you see? 1 and 2. Okay. I have 2. So I can say these are brushes because I am touching the items, okay? I can touch them. The opposite is those. One more time. You are here. And there is a distance between you and the object, okay? So in that case, we're going to use those. If you pay attention to the question, it says, how much are these earrings? Maybe you are touching the earrings, okay? On the second question, how much are those scarves? Maybe you are only pointing, okay? You cannot touch the scarves, but you can see them, okay? So one more time, there is a distance between you and the objects. So these are for plural items, these and those. And as you can see in our responses for singular, we're going to use its. For plural, we're going to use their. Okay? Questions about this? No questions. Okay, excellent, Damaris. Says no, Jesus says no, Omar says no, Mauricio says no. Okay, excellent, guys. Okay, so now let's go back to the student book. Okay, so let's continue with the second page. Okay. Well, as you can see in exercise 3, we have the grammar chart. In the grammar chart, we have the questions that I presented to you on the last picture. So I want to do this. I'm going to read the questions. I'm going to read the sentences, and you're going to repeat after me, of course, at home. Okay, so we're going to start. How much is this scarf? How much is this? How much are these gloves? How much are these? I'm sorry. How much are these? How much is that watch? How much is that? How much are those sunglasses? How much are those? How much is it? It's $2.99. How much are they? They are $49.99. Okay, let's move to the second part. It says saying prices. Okay, so let's listen. The first one is $2.99 or $2.99. $125 or 125. $475 or 475. Do you have questions about the grammar chart? No questions, correct? No. Okay, excellent, guys. Well, we don't have enough time to do this exercise. Okay, so well, we're going to stop here. Okay, we're going to stop here. And let's do this. The thing is that most of you don't have a microphone, so we cannot practice our oral skills here in the chat. So let's do this. You're going to work as a homework in your workbook, okay? You're gonna do the lesson B. And also what I want you to do is I want you to record an audio in which you're going to read this conversation. Okay, read this conversation and I want you to record an audio. And you can send it to me in our WhatsApp group so I can listen to your pronunciation. Okay, guys? Do you understand what you're going to do? Yes, if you want to. If you can do it later or tomorrow, early, yes. So try to record yourself saying this conversation. And you can send it to the WhatsApp group. Yes, Damaris, it's okay, no problem. And you can also work with the workbook, the lesson B. Remember, if you have questions, if you have doubts, you can send me a text message. Okay? Well, guys, so we're going to stop here. Remember, today we started with the lesson B. So, okay, before logging out, can you tell me one more time what did you learn in this part? I don't know, maybe a new word or something new for you? New questions. Ah, yes, how much? Only new questions. Yes. How the prices. Some words. Okay. Yes. We're learning a lot of new vocabulary. Well, okay, guys. So, how to use this and that for singular? Yes, that's right. Okay, guys, well, that's it for today. Remember one more time, any questions, any doubts, please send me a text message, okay? So do your homework and see you tomorrow at 4:30, and thank you for coming, okay? Yes, you too. Take care. See you tomorrow. Okay, so bye. See you.